name's Taylor and I'm going to show you how to make your washcloth bunny from your grab and go kit. So you're gonna get your kit and it's just going to have a washcloth and a rubber band in it. That's all you need. So take your rubber band off the washcloth and unfold it. And then you're going to want to lay it in front of you like a diamond. So like this, with the pointy part facing you. And then you start rolling from the bottom. So roll it up nice and tight. Then you have a little tube, fold it in half. And then fold it in half this way. It's going to be quite small. Now take your rubber band and put it over this way. And double it over like this if you can. And then straighten it out. There's your little bunny. And here are the ears. You can make them tall ears by pulling on them this way, or you can make them wide ears. If you have markers, you can draw a face on there, and you can play with it in the bath and have fun with your little bunny.